Tired of your cocktail smelling like beans? I can fix that. Let's start by opening 2 cans of garbanzo beans and straining the liquid into a measuring glass. 10 cocktails worth of foam per can. We'll need the liquid, so save that. Take the beans and grab a copy of Bad Manners' official cookbook. Make some spiced chickpea wraps or something. Next, grab your ISI whipper, screw off the top, and drop a heavy pinch of cream of tartar inside. That'll thicken up nicely. Then pour an ounce of Angostura Bitters. Pour in your chickpea water, screw on the top, and add 1 nitrous charger. And shake for 5 to 10 seconds. Let's give it a test. Turn your whipper upside down and squeeze the handle gently to release your foam. And that's Angostura Aquafaba. We recommend applying the contents of your ISI whipper inside the shaker when building your cocktail. This not only eliminates the dry shake completely, but also the smell from the garbanzo bean water.